In the name of Allah, who is most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. We will start maths, class 9th, matrices and determinants, unit number 1, exercise 1.5, lecture number 4. In this chapter, we will discuss about matrices and determinants. But in this exercise, exercise 1.5, we will discuss the determinants and singular or non-singular matrices. Now, first of all, you have to find the determinants. Question number 1, part number 2, b equals to 1, 2, 3, minus 2. This is a symbol of matrices, square bracket. Now, when you will find determinants, so you have to use the sign of determinants to straight line. Its other name is mod. So, you have also write this matrix in mod form. 1, 2, 3, minus 2 mod. Now, in mod, how you can find the determinant? Now, first entry multiply by second entry. So, you can write here 1 multiply by minus 2, and in determinant sign of minus is used here. So, now you have to multiply second entry by third entry. Now, this will be 3 multiply by 2. Now, minus 2 minus 6. Minus minus plus, but sign will be minus. So, its determinant equals to minus 8. Now, let's see the second part of this exercise. C is the matrix. First of all, you have to write in mod form or determinant form. Now, 3, 3, 2, 2 mod. Now, rule is same. First of all, first entry multiply by fourth entry, like this. 3 multiply by 2, and sign of minus is used in determinant. Now, second entry multiply by fourth entry. Now, you have to get 2, 3 the 6. Now, 6 minus 6 equals to 0. Its determinant equals to 0. Now, whenever determinant equals to 0, it is known as singular matrix. It is known as singular matrix. And when its determinant not equals to 0, then it is known as a non-singular matrix. It is a non-singular matrix, but this is a singular matrix because its determinant equals to 0. Now, we will do the question number 2. Find which of the following matrices are singular or non-singular. Now, first part we will start first of all. Now, 3, 6, 2, 4. This is a matrix. First of all, you have to write in mod form. Now, 3, 2, 6, 4. Now, rule is same. You are going to find the determinant. Determinant tells us that matrix is singular or non-singular. So, first entry multiply by fourth entry. So, you have to get 3 multiply by 4. In determinant, sign of minus is used here. Now, second entry multiply by third entry. Now, you have to write here 6 multiply by 2. So, 12 minus 12. So, its answer equals to 0. So, write the statement. It is a singular matrix. It is a singular matrix because its determinant equals to 0. Now, let's see. Question number 2, second part. Rule is same. First of all, you have to write in determinant or mod form. 4, 3, 1, 2. Now, rule is same. First entry multiply by fourth entry. Now, you have to get here 4 to the 8. Sign of minus is used here. Now, second entry multiply by third entry. Now, 3 1 the 3. Now, 8 minus 3 equals to 5. And 5 does not equals to 0. So, it is a non-singular matrix. Non-singular. So, conclusion is that when determinant equals to 0, it is a singular matrix. When determinant not equals to 0, then it is a non-singular. Its definition is mentioned on page number 21. Singular and non-singular matrix. A square matrix A is called singular if the determinant of A is equal to 0 and it is denoted by A mod, and its example, you can write its example by itself. Now, second is a square matrix A is called non-singular if the determinant of A is not equal to 0. Now, you have to write the definition. Now, we'll start question number 3. Find multiplicative inverse. Now, multiplicative inverse you are going to find out here. So, you first of all let that multiplicative inverse of A is A inverse. So, you can read out here A inverse. Now, A inverse formula equals to 1 by A mod into adjoint A. Yeah, you can say that 1 by A determinant or 1 by A mod multiplied by adjoint A. First of all, you have to find the determinant. So, write in mod form. Now, rule is same. So, you have to multiply first entry by fourth entry. Now, minus 1 multiply by 0. Sign of minus is used in determinant. Now, second entry multiply by third entry. So, you have to get 3 multiply by 2. Now, 0 minus 6. So, its determinant equals to minus 0. It is not equals to 0. So, it is a non-singular matrix. So, you can write here when matrix is singular, then further steps not possible here. Now, adjoint A. What is adjoint? Let's see. You have to change the place of first and fourth entry. You have to change the place of first and fourth entry. Now, you can write here 0 and minus 1. Now, you have to change the sign of second and third entry. You have to change the sign of second and third entry. It is known as a adjoint. Now, you have to find the determinant and also adjoint A. Now, you have to put the value in formula. Now, you have to put the values in formula. A inverse 1 by A determinant minus 6. Now, adjoint 0, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. So, each entry of adjoint A divided by minus 6. So, you have to get its answer 0 by minus 6, minus 3 by minus 6, minus 2 by minus 6 and minus 1 by minus 6. Now, after dividing, its answer is 0, 1 by 2 because 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, minus minus cancel, 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. This is the multiplicative inverse of A. Let's see question number 6. A, B and D matrices are given here. So, you can find the first part A, B whole inverse equals to B inverse A inverse. And in previous question you are now about A inverse and B inverse, that how you can find. Now, first of all, you have to solve the small bracket. You have to multiply A and B matrices. Now, in previous lecture you have come to know about the multiplication of matrices, but again I will repeat it. First row multiply by first column and each entry multiply by each entry. First entry multiply by first, second entry multiply by second. So, you can write here 4 multiply by minus 4. Sign of plus is used in multiplication of matrices. 0 multiply by 1. Now, same row multiply by second column. Now, rule is same. First entry multiply by first and second entry multiply by second. Now, same procedure you have to apply here. This is the second row. Second row multiply by again first column. Minus 1 multiply by minus 4 and 2 multiply by 1. Now, same this second row multiply by second column. Minus 1 multiply by minus 2 and 2 multiply by minus 1. Now, after simplification, minus 16 plus 0, 4 plus 2. Now, 8 plus 0 and 2 minus 2. So it will be minus 16, 4 plus 2 6, minus 8 and 2 minus 2 0. That is the answer of A and B multiplication. Now basically you have to find the AB whole inverse, and in previous question you have know that how you can find the inverse. AB whole inverse equals to 1 by AB mod multiplied by adjoint AB. B I have missing here. So now first of all you have to find the AB determinant. So write in determinant form minus 8 and 0. So rule is same for finding the determinant. First entry multiply by fourth entry. Now you can write as minus 16 multiply by 0. In determinant, sign of minus is used here. Now you can multiply here second entry by fourth entry. Now 6 multiply by minus 8. Now 0 plus 6 8 the 48. 0 plus 48 equals to 48. It is not equals to 0, so it is a non-singular matrix. Now further steps are possible here. Now first of all you have to find the adjoint A. How you can find adjoint A? You have to interchange the place of first and fourth entry. Then it becomes 0 and minus 16. Now change the sign of second and fourth entry. Minus 8 becomes plus 8 and plus 6 becomes minus 6. That is known as a adjoint. Now you have to put the value in the formula of AB whole inverse. So 1 by 48 adjoint A 0 minus 6 8 minus 16. Now you have to divide by 48. Each entry of adjoint A divided by 48. Minus 6 by 48, 8 by 48, minus 16 by 48. Now after cutting you have now 0 minus 1 by 8, 1 by 6 and minus 1 by 3. That is the answer of left hand side. Now right hand side you will solve by self, and you have to check that both sides are equal or not. Allah Hafiz.